Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So it's that time of the year, okay? It's back to school time to back to school shop, time to get your school supplies. Literally my favorite time of the year. I love school supplies. I love stationery, I love pens, I love highlighters. I love this time of year, especially since I myself will be going back to school this fall. I'm so excited, and I've actually saved a couple from these videos for my own personal crocheting, okay? So with that being said, this video is 50 back to school crochet ideas. So whether you're in college, high school, middle school watching this video, or you're a mom who wants to crochet their daughter something, their son something, okay? Or you're a grandma who wants to crochet their granddaughter or grandson something. I have something for everyone in this video, so stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. Everything is cute. I've got stuff for all ages. I really did my digging on this one, and all 50 of them are free, okay? You will not have to pay a dime for a single one of these patterns or tutorials, because who wants to spend more money, okay? Back to school shopping costs a lot of money, so let's save your bank and make these free 50 ideas. If any of these are your patterns and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me over on Instagram and I will take them out of the video. Now that disclaimer is there, let's talk about the categories we have for this video. For this video, we've got pouches, book/laptop sleeves, bag charms, bookmarks, and bags. Okay, we've got a little wide variety of categories. I already know, I'll tell you which category my favorite is, but I'm sure you guys already know. As always, everything I'm saying in this video is linked in the description box below in the order that I'm saying it, linked to a free written pattern or video tutorial so you can make literally everything I'm showing you in this video. So let's start with our first category, which is pouches. So these pouches can range from something like this, which is very simple, a simple zipper pouch, single crochet stitch, okay, to some more elaborate ones, but they're all basically for like pens, pencils, school supplies. So you can make that one, you can make this boxy, simple zipper pouch, or you can make a smaller kind of cute strawberry heart, just a few pens and pencils kind of case, or do like a folklore cardigan. This one's for my Swifties specifically because I have a lot of Swifties in the comments usually. So this one's for y'all, okay? This one's for the Swifties. You can also make a cute little bunny or bear pencil or pen case, or even to hold some like a few makeup items to take to school with you. That's really cool. You can use any granny square and some sewing skills to make these zipper pouches, or even just a simple like 2-row granny square like this one to make pouches. If you like bobble stitches, like that's where your favorite stitches are, make this bobble stitch bag or pouch. Pouch. And this one is for my Bluey fans, okay? If you're in love with Bluey or your kid loves Bluey, here's a fun little pencil pouch for our Bluey fans. Or even this really cute, like small granny square and striped pouch. You can make this very simple, no fluff, no frill, if you're an absolute beginner kind of pen pouch as well. Or this pencil-shaped pencil pouch I thought was kind of cute. You can make this one that lays flat and rolls up if pouches are not really like your thing. And that's all I have for pouches, so let's jump into our book/laptop sleeve category. So for this category, we have a fluffy yarn laptop sleeve. It looks like sheep yarn and I love that. You can make this strawberry granny square book sleeve, iPad sleeve. These are really like, you make them how big you need them kind of thing. You can make this strawberry stitched book sleeve, or even this simpler striped laptop sleeve, or a tulip stitched book sleeve, laptop sleeve, iPad sleeve kind of moment. You can use some granny squares to make this kind of like wraparound book sleeve, or a laptop sleeve with handles that comes in handy, pun intended. You can make this one, which is kind of like a cool granny stitch black and white pattern kind of checkerboard vibe, but not really tapestry checkerboard. If you like tapestry crocheting, I have this checkerboard laptop sleeve for you. But if you avoid tapestry like the plague, like I do, then make the other one I just showed you in like a black and white theme. and it's granny stitches, so it's easier. You can make this kind of chevron style, multicolored laptop sleeve. And that's all I have for you for our kind of sleeve section. Let's jump into our bag charm section, which is my favorite section. And I honestly wasn't even going to include this section because I didn't even think of it. I was sitting on the couch researching for this video, compiling all my patterns, and my mom's sitting next to me, and I'm like, girl, I can't come up with any more back to school ideas. And my mom was like, what about cute little charms you can put on your backpack? This woman is a genius. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. And the bag charm category was birthed, okay? You guys can thank my mother for this one. You can make a cute little hand sanitizer, cozy, a mushroom chapstick holder, these cute little flower bouquets, this simple chapstick holder, another simple chapstick holder, or you can do jellyfish and octopus keychains. You can make cherry and strawberry keychains. You can make a sunflower sanitizer holder. You can make a lily of the valley keychain bag charm. You can make, this video has an assortment of cute keychains and bag charm ideas. You can make a little leggy frog. You can even make 2 of these with matching outfits for you and your friend. You can make a Pokemon sanitizer. This one's for our young Pokemon obsessed little boys who definitely need to be using some sanitizer. This one's for the moms out there watching this video, for our Pokemon loving children. You can make a lavender keychain, which is personally my favorite. You can make a well pouch keychain, or even a cherry blossom bag charm, or this kind of puffy looking daisy flower. And then this specific sanitizer cozy is for the Bath and Body Works sanitizers because they're a little wider in like thickness. You can make this star bag. Oh, I have a hair touching me. Okay, guys, it's 115 in California, and I had to turn my fan off to film this. So I might seem like I'm rushing. It's because I'm sweaty. So that is all I have for bag charms. We can jump into our bookmark category now. For bookmarks, I have this really fun one that kind of incorporates a ribbon, or even a sunflower bookmark, or this more simple kind of wavy stitched bookmark. And then this video has 5 different bookmark options, from like a leaf one to 2 flowers. There's a heart one, there's a simpler one, so that one's kind of cool. I'm gonna toss in there with the others. Our last category is bags. So we have a couple different options for bags. We have backpack style, or tote bag style. Kind of give a variety and kind of age variety as well. So we've got this cute teddy bear backpack style bag. We have a carry-all tote bag, super thick, and also like line your tote bags with fabric to prevent them from stretching, especially if you're going to be putting heavy stuff in them. You can make this granny square sling, or even this granny square drawstring bag, and you can make this checkered drawstring bag as well. And that is all I have for you for our 50 back to school crochet ideas. Hopefully you were able to find something for you or a loved one to make for this coming back to school season. As always, everything I showed you is linked in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a free written or video, so you can make literally anything I showed you. If any of these patterns are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me over on Instagram and I will take it out of the video. Other than that, follow me on Instagram if you kind of want a sneak peek on what videos are coming up, or if you want to kind of send in suggestions. I'll do polls over there sometimes. So if you kind of want to be able to put your 2 cents in or really interact with these videos more personally, definitely follow me over on Instagram and stay tuned for those. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!